Thank you for joining in. Today we will see how to create a ticket type when Tickera is integrated with WooCommerce. For the integration to work, you would need to have Tickera, WooCommerce, and Bridge for WooCommerce plugins installed and activated. Bridge for WooCommerce is used to connect Tickera and WooCommerce. I will presume you have those three installed. And now you want to learn how to create ticket types in WooCommerce. Ticket types are created as WooCommerce products. Ticket types will have the same features as WooCommerce products, which is, you will agree, awesome. To create a ticket type, head over to Products in the WordPress menu. This is a WooCommerce overview of all the products that you have. You can tell apart if the product is a ticket type by the event name that is displayed just above the product title. Let's create the ticket type. Click Add New at the top. We are met with a page from which we can create a new product/ticket type. There are some fields that are typical for almost all posts, like the product title and the content. We will set the title for our ticket type. It will be a standard ticket type. For the content here, you can use Tickera shortcode with numerous shortcodes to help you describe your ticket type better. Just under the content, that's where it gets interesting. We got here two self-explanatory fields, regular price and sale price. We will set the regular price. Under the prices, you will see a product is a ticket checkbox. Click it to reveal numerous options regarding our ticket type. The first option, event, is to assign a ticket type to an event. You can check the link above on how to create events if you do not know. Now, we will select the Tickera Fest 2020 event. Check-ins per ticket option allows you to set how many times a particular ticket type can be checked in. We will set it to 1.
With the ticket template option, you can set the template for the ticket that will be sent to the customer.
You can create additional ticket templates in Tickera Ticket Templates. We will set it to default. Available dates for ticket selling allows you to either set open-ended ticket selling or set the time window within which the ticket of this type can be purchased. Available dates for check-in will allow you to set check-ins to open-ended, in which case the tickets can be scanned at all times, or set the time window during which the tickets can be scanned. Click Publish to see what we have created. We can follow this permalink just to see the ticket type/product that we created, or we can head over to the event that we assigned our ticket type. In my case, it's Tickera Fest 2020. In the event, make sure to have checkbox Show Tickets Automatically enabled or have a ticket stable shortcode in the content. Click on the link here and check out your ticket. Awesome, right? That's all you need to know on how to create tickets type for Tickera with WooCommerce. But before we finish this tutorial, I would like to mention a nifty feature that WooCommerce has to offer. That's variable products. In order to enable the variable product, there is a field here named product data. It is set to a simple product, which means one product, one price. If we change it to a variable product, a visible change can be seen. The product and sale price have disappeared. The reason for that, a variable product can have multiple prices depending on the variations. Let's see how it works. It might seem complicated, but in no time you'll get a hang of it. In the menu on the left here, there are two items of interest to us, attributes and variations. First, we need to create the attributes from which variations will be created. Click on Attributes. You will notice a select box and an option named Custom Product Attribute. It should already be pre-selected. If not, find it in the list and select it. Click button Add, and in the name field here, you will set the name for your variable. Let's say you want to create a few lunch variations for your customers to choose from. We will name this variation lunch, and we will add a few values, standard, vegan, halal. That means we will make our customers choose their lunch between these three. Make sure to check the Used for Variations checkbox and click Save Attributes. Now, click on the Variations item in the menu. In the select box here, you can select Add Variation if you want to add variations separately, or, as we are going to do, select Create Variations from all attributes. Click Go, and you will see that variations have been added. Before being able to purchase them, you need to set the price first. Click on the variation to open variation options. Set the price and do the same for the other 3 variations. Now that we have done so, let's see how this actually works. Click on the product permalink. As you can see on the front, depending on what I choose, the prices will vary too. You can make combinations of variables. With the ticket purchase, you can charge customers extra for parking, food, and prices will change accordingly. It's a very nifty option, and it can help you make that additional buck from your event. That's all for this tutorial. Don't hesitate to subscribe to see Tickera latest tutorials. Thanks for watching.